Cash and bank transfers no longer fit into the business landscape. For merchants looking for an easy way to bring their payments online, welcome to Dibsy. Let's explore the Dibsy dashboard. Under the Payments tab, you can view all your transactions in one easy place. With easy-to-read labels, you can see whether each transaction has succeeded, refunded, partially refunded, settled, or failed. With the filters, easily filter out the transactions you want to see. Do you only want to see your failed transactions? Click here and see what has gone wrong. You can also further filter whether the payment was made via debit card or credit card. Easily export all your data with this button here. You can include all these details in a report with no hassle. When you select one of the transactions, it will take you to a page that shows you all the details of that specific transaction. Here you can find the specifics about the customer, date of transaction, and card details. Under this section, you can also refund any transaction with this button here. Simply click the refund, type in the amount of the refund and the reason, and you're done.